In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Epic Games error code 152 quickly and safely, especially if you're trying to launch a Rockstar Games title like GTA 5 or Red Dead Redemption 2 through the Epic Games store. This error usually means the launcher is having trouble verifying your game ownership, so don't worry, because in most cases it can be fixed with a few simple steps. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming fix guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Rockstar Games launcher and sign out of your account completely. To do that, click your avatar in the top right corner, then choose Sign Out. After that, sign back in using the Rockstar account that is linked to your Epic Games purchase. This step is important because error 152 often happens when the wrong account session is active or the launcher needs to re-verify your ownership details. If that doesn't fix the issue, the next thing you should do is clear the local Rockstar profile data on your computer. Before you do this, close both the Epic Games launcher and the Rockstar Games launcher so nothing is running in the background. Then open File Explorer and go to C:\users\your username\documents\Rockstar Games. Inside that folder, delete the Rockstar Games folder, but only after making sure your saves are backed up to the cloud first. This can help reset corrupted local data that may be interfering with the verification process. If you use mods, or if your game setup is conflicting with anti-cheat or launch protection, open the Rockstar Games launcher again, go into Settings, and make sure BattlEye is disabled if that applies to your setup. This is especially useful if you have mods installed that could be causing a launcher conflict. Next, try launching the game using a different network. Sometimes your internet provider or current network can block or delay the verification servers, so switching to a mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi connection can help you confirm whether the problem is network related. If the game works on a different network, then your original connection is likely the issue. Another fix you should try is running the Epic Games launcher as an administrator. Right-click the Epic Games launcher icon and select Run as Administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it needs to communicate properly with the Rockstar client and complete the verification process. After that, try launching the game again and see if error 152 is gone. If one fix doesn't work, move on to the next one, because this issue is often solved by a combination of account refresh, local data cleanup, and network checking. Once you've gone through these steps, you should be able to get back into your game without the verification error interrupting your launch. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.